Using paint instead of furniture to create a standout space can be a great way to add a little bit of excitement in places that people wouldn't ordinarily expect. It's also great if you've got a really small space and you don't have enough room for furniture, then that way you can really use the walls as your canvas. So there are 3 different stripes that you can use within a space. You can use vertical stripes like the look that we've created here. We've actually taken it across onto the ceiling as well to create a really bold look. You can also use horizontal stripes to make the walls seem longer, giving you the optical illusion of a larger space. You can also use diagonal stripes if you want to create something that looks a little bit quirky and modern. Another element of creating a striped look is to think about whether you want all your stripes to be the same width or whether you want them slightly different. As you can see here, we've used stripes of varying widths, so it creates this real impactful space. If you want to create a striped look, I would highly recommend painting out your chosen colours and stripe style onto lining paper, then that way you will be able to see how the striped effect looks before you create it in your space. Feeling inspired? Head down to your local Brewers Decorator centres and check out Albany today.